Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with MrWaheedulHaque. Today we're going to be getting a resonator delete on the Astra H, so then we will have a muffler and resonator delete, so it's going to be extremely loud because it is a non-turbo car, so it'll be very loud. Yeah, let's get on with it guys. I'll show you the before and after with all the stuff. This is what it sounds like stock. Have a listen. This is the startup. As you can hear, very quiet. It used to be louder before. There's the revs. There you go guys. And here's his new tints. Have a look. Can't even see him. No good. And then look at this. Where's his license plate? Oh, there it is. Who's CBD? Look at this. Look at this guy. Pick it up, lovely. Let me see it.
Yeah. You want to pick it up?
Is it heavy? No, it won't be, will it?
It's not that heavy.
It won't be as heavy as you. Look. The next part number. Yeah, keep that in your boot, innit?
Let me smile. What?
Do the first start. देखिए loudly. Guys, too loud is it?
Too loud.
Too loud. Rev it. Yeah. Yeah, he's gonna go deaf, bro. You know when he's on motor,
Yeah.
this is just revving. When he's putting his foot down on the motor, he's going deaf, bro. Fucking hell. Now guys, we're gonna perform a flyby now. Don't know which way is flying by, but okay, we'll see. Okay, have a listen guys. That was a stock flyby. There you go. Look at the, you hear the startup? It's more deeper and louder. And these exhaust pits are massive. You hear the crackles? Ooh. Sounds very nice and deep. Much nicer than before. I guess he's gonna do a drive-by now. Listen. That is fucking loud guys. That's just with the muffler delete. Now if you got a resonator and the muffler, that would be extremely loud. You'd go deaf guys. Go on Shara bacha. It's too loud bro. Yeah, don't do that ever in my street. Shh.
Because I know how to do it properly.
Okay, vanilla. It's loud. We do pop some bungs now. It does pop some bungs. Oh yeah, too loud, too loud. Fucking hell, bro. Do you wanna break my ears? Fucking hell, bro. Look at the beautiful car. It is beautiful. Look at this guy. MashaAllah.
louder.
That is a muffler and resonator delete on the Astra. Thank you for watching.